Welcome back to C++ with Miyoshi. I'm just going to do a little wrap up today. I'm really not going to do any more C++ videos. Well, maybe a few here and there to help round out people's questions, find out people's questions and answer some of those. But mainly I'm pretty much done. If we think about all the things we've done, talked about input and output, talked about identifiers, variables and constants. We've done some branching with ifs and switches. We've done looping, for, while, and do while loops. We've done character arrays, we talked about functions, and I really consider those the fundamentals. Matter of fact, in my classes I tell them, hey, once you've done those things, you can write pretty much any program you want. Yeah, you're going to need to learn some other things if you're going to want to do some Windows programming or programming for iOS or any other kind of specific type of programming, but you have the fundamentals down and you can go from there. We also talked about structures and metadata. We talked about arrays and classes, and again, these are all just kind of the starting point or jumping off point for you as you think about learning other languages, maybe Java or C#, or even other languages than that. A couple things that I've mentioned as we've gone through the class, and that is that you should make sure you give credit to people. Use people's code to help yourself learn new things, like the classes one that I just finished up on, and other code that I may have given you. But give people credit for the code that you may have borrowed or that you've modified, especially if you have some nifty algorithm that you've borrowed from somebody. Give them credit, and don't take people's copyrighted code. Just maybe modify it a little bit and give them credit, or if it says that don't use their code, well, just kind of maybe look at it and see what's going on and how to do your own code. And as you get better at coding, you will develop your own style, you'll develop your own algorithms and so forth, and you may want to share those with other people, and you would want them to give you credit just like you're going to give credit to the people you're using to help further your education. One last thing I want to mention is that the key to getting good at anything is to do it over and over and over again. And so the key to becoming a better programmer is to code, and keep coding and more coding and more coding. So hope you've enjoyed the series of C++ lectures I put together, and I'll still be around. I'll still be doing lectures on other things. Some Java is up next, and I'll still be doing some more of my own fun things, just hanging out with me or listening to music or whatever it happens to be. So anyway, thanks for tuning in, and hope to see you around for more other things with Miyoshi. Stay tuned, and we'll see what's coming up next.